What's up, guys? How you guys doing? Starting this video off with taking off my slip-on because my bike is not loud enough yet, and I don't want to go out spending what $1,100 or $600 or whatever it is for a new exhaust when you could just straight pipe it. Why not, right? So that's what we're dealing with right now. I'm just gonna have it dump right here. I had it off before, but I was kind of afraid of getting pulled over because I didn't have my license yet, or my permit, but now I do, and I'm not as worried. I just want people to be able to hear me. Who knows, after a while when I can afford it, I'm gonna get an underglow kit so people could see me at night. Well, people could see, I don't know. Some people are just blind, they can't even see you during the day, so you always gotta ride safe. But yeah, let me take this off and I'll do a quick cold startup for you guys. Who the fuck is that? You know, it's really fucking hot out today. I don't get why. I'm gonna go for a ride, but you know what? I got it because I just love riding and I don't want to fill my truck. That's not. I got a bike just to save on gas because I would rather pay $9 to fill it up over 40. So yeah, let me make a shit out of this to get it off. That's how you take off the straight pipe. Alright, let me start this up. Let's get a cold start. Well, it's not really cold, it's freaking hot out. It's probably already warmed up, honestly. Yeah, let's get this started. Don't really know what it sounds like with the straight pipe. It's a lot quieter than that. The camera doesn't really do justice of how it sounds, but it's a lot louder than before. I'll let it get warmed up and then I'll do a little rev for you guys. She's about running temp now, so let's get a quick rev in it. guys wherever I'm going because I don't even know where I'm going. I'm just going for a ride, and I don't have a motovlog type setup just yet. I will be getting that hopefully soon. So yeah, I'll catch you wherever I go. Okay, I'm sorry. I know this is like in the middle of the video, but it jumped from me getting on my bike all the way to tonight, which I'm gonna show you in a second. All we did was a little prank on McDonald's. We had 3 people on the bike and we just went through the drive-thru, so here's the clip.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I get a sweet tea? Hey, I want a McChicken.
A sweet tea?
Yeah, and that'll be it.
Okay. What size?
Large?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oliver's already, it's gonna be 109 actually.
Okay.
Thank you.
get a sweet tea?
Hey, I want a McChicken.
A sweet tea?
Yeah, that'll be it.
Okay. What size?
Large?
Okay.
Thank you.
Oliver's already, it's gonna be 109 actually.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well guys, it wasn't that great of a reaction, honestly. that lady did not give a fuck about what was going on. She looked at us. No, the lady before in the first window, she was all cleaning back there, and she was just straight looking at us and laughing. And the guys, as soon as we pulled up to the second window, these guys were just laughing and recording us. At the end, right before we were all getting ready to leave, they drove by us saying that we're all gay and all that. But you know what? We're just having fun messing with the McDonald's workers. I thought we'd give them a good laugh. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And take care. Have a great night.